lower falls today. Got some really good pics. We walked all the way down to the lower falls first, which was crazy. Down obviously was easy, but up, wow. That's a good workout for your calves. After that, we drove up north, I think it's North Rim Drive, and we stopped at the Lookout Point, which has remarkable views of the lower falls, which are the big boys. And this is the view from Lookout Point. Very far down. Here. And then from there, we decided to head down to Grand Teton. Oh, hello there. So today's our last day on our Yellowstone adventure trip, and we saw pretty much everything that we could see in the park, so we decided to head down to Grand Teton, which is just south of Yellowstone. And I just wanted to show you this amazing view at Jackson Lake, because holy crap, it's good. You ready? Are you ready? So we had to go all the way around and down, and we did a nice big loop around in Grand Teton. Definitely worth the drive. Beautiful, definitely beautiful. Then we drove back up, and now we're cooking dinner. So this is our last night in our sweet, beautiful home, and yeah, we'll be going home soon. Really fun trip. Got to see a bunch of cool stuff. So yeah, thanks for joining us on this trip, and we've got another trip coming up soon, so just stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and stay connected with us. Alrighty, have a great day.